say mom see una don reach. Mom see eh, we get visitor. No, why you collect that money?
Mama is your money meal.
Why you collect that money?
Mama is your money. The money when you feel talk. I told you, sir, not yet.
My money? My hard money. You don't see money. You don't see money. This kind of rubbish be that one.
Run.
Mom see the man, when that one starts. Mom see you do waiting. You collect that money. Mom see you say waiting.
This mama. You they support your mama. You say mama want kill me. Every night they beat me for this house.
Why you touch her money? Ask me. She came out for your head. Ask her.
This mama. I pity man where go marry you.
What's up, my people, on a day? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this fantastic comedy reaction from. I'm your humble boy, OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, make sure to watch this video to the very end because, believe me, it's gonna be a blast. I have the best you've ever seen, you understand? So what you just have to do is to relax and watch to the very end. You understand what I'm saying? I believe you understand. So, don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Daddy, good afternoon, sir.
How are you, eh?
Daddy, what are you doing with Nneoma?
If I slap you, yeah, take your time.
He shot you!
You know, ever since your mom died, since 7 years ago she died, eh? I've been lonely. I never actually believed that I'll find love.
Are you serious?
I'm happy for you, Dad. Where's the love?
Shank, go away.
Are you okay? Can't you see her here? Nneoma has shown me real love.
But yeah, fake love.
How, Chim?
Nneoma, real love.
That's
Take your
why they
time.
give your child a boy.
Stop calling her Nneoma. From today she's your stepmom. What did I say? Call her stepmom.
You? Step mom.
Now what for you, bro? Mommy,
Baby,
let me get something inside there.
baby, don't take too long, okay?
I want that.
You give them surprise.
Step mom.
Stepson.
You are mad. You are mad. Nneoma, so you mean this the way you talk? See, you break up with this, my daddy. You bad. Oh, you crazy. Why you doing? You are bad. You are good at what you do.
I know.
You mean I'm... Give me your junior sister now.
It's Sabinus girl. Can you imagine? Pluto, my guy.
Excuse me, sir. Good day, sir.
Well done.
Sir, please, I'm sorry to bother you this morning.
One beg.
Take a very good look at me, sir. See that I'm not a beggar from head to toe.
Sharp.
But, sir, I need your help. My wife just put to bed triplets. And as I talk to you now, the government is threatening to take this children from me because of my inability to cater for them. Sir, please, I need any amount you can help me with, just so I can discharge her from the hospital. I would really appreciate it, sir. Please, sir.
Solo.
Sabia.
Solo.
Sabia.
You the shock. I know you now. Don't be you be solo.
Oh, where?
The son of Ogeneke. True of us.
It's Sabia rich house.
I'm really sorry. It must be a mistaken identity.
Baba, now you now. I know you are not a mistake. You know, but now house, they number 44 Triangle Avenue. Yes. They don't fence the house. The only roof, the front, the back, no roof because I never finish them. One grave they front of the house when they use marble do. They can't put out this thing for the front. One artwork when they write God is with us.
God is with
front
us.
of our house. Is that not in our house? Hey! Now you know.
It's
My
my
papa
guy.
before he die, he tell me say your papa they hold 2 million naira before himself die. Ouch! He say any member of the family want see, man collect the money for your hand. Thank God that you are see today, and you be first son. It's your right to pay.
Sir, like I said, it must be a mistaken identity, sir. Please, I beg to take my leave, sir.
Oh, God, stay here. Brasolo,
You must pay.
I get two options for you. It's either you pay me my 2 million naira when I inherit from my papa, when your papa they hold my papa before their two die.
What do you mean by that?
Or you do my HK they press till you make the 2 million naira.
Sir, please. It's my father that is owing your father.
My friend, shut up.
Let them settle themselves.
So you don't
And
agree?
as for the HK, sir, I don't do fraud.
Bro, I know they do fraud now. Now forest that they do.
Not true.
Well, no problem. How far? You will pay me or not? No wahala. How far are billions? Log you gave me a release dog.
You don't do begging, enter
Release
problem.
dog fast.
Let's go. You don't fly fence.
Rapidon, show. Where's Solo?
You don't jump fence, we'll go now.
Why you dey touch my pocket, Solo? Where's Solo?
This man.
Where you pass?
Don't be smart in, I don't go enter. Oh.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
Thank
you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
I beg now.
Who is it?
I'm Motel.
Madam, no be food I want. Sometimes when they ask us, what
What is you want?
Jesus.
That's the only thing you go around asking for.
Why you go to talk that kind of thing for public? Who tell you that food I want ask you for?
By any means, are you dying? Oh my God, are you dying?
Which one be that? I resemble one die.
What do you want?
Let's have it.
You cook. You dey crazy.
You must go to final.
Okay.
You're not serious.
Madam.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes. Food still there.
Now only rice there.
Only rice there.
Yes, only rice there.
Chama agree to.
Talkless.
I give me rice and pomo.
Pomo don't finish.
I give me rice and meat. 500.
Only meat 500 now.
Only meat 500.
Yes, now.
She said I play.
As if you don't be buy rice and meat again.
No.
I give me rice and spoon.
What be this?
Only rice and
Yes, so and if I deserve stew, no wahala. Thank you. Now they give me spoon like the chopper for you. You don't see no fast food.
This man.
Talkless. You dey stand a job.
Boss.
Continue.
Only rice and the chop. Now why not leave the rice?
Talkless. Why you dey chop without meat?
Okay.
I never meet up with una level.
Go now. Mama, give Talkless 1 meat, I'll pay.
Are you playing? Boss, now egg is the chop.
You? Now my doctor see me at the eat egg.
Yeah, I'm a big man. Thank you. Madam, I be me add rice. Don't give me meat.
Bros, why now? Maybe I don't buy you meat.
I person belly food they decline rice. Aje.
I'm on a rice.
Come sit down, come chop your
Rice.
Thank you, Chama.
This man.
Let's go.
God have mercy upon us.
Madam, I beg, how much now of the food?
11.5.
Everybody have it? Yes. Aje, I go pay.
Talkless. If let's say get what you dey take when no good for your body. No be you wear bare meat for just now be this one.
Maybe I just share sports for now.
Chama, there's no way share us spot for today. If you buy you hot pot of soup tomorrow, Aje.
Touch my energy. Share updates. Like I go share update too.
You now want sabi updates. When I follow me.
You don't win money. Wow.
Guys, let's go double tap and share. Joy, thanks for joining. Ella, thanks for joining.
Human being.
Black Jesus.
Since morning, see how these brothers does there. Do tap. You don't get work at all. Shit.
Jesus. Anyway, thank you so much for the lion. Anyway, thank you so much.
Boss, what's happening?
Ima, you know since I start TikTok live stream, they never gift me lion once. One of my top gifters just gift me one big lion.
Jesus.
Take this my ATM card there, Go buy something. That store with the other side. Buy one energy drink for me, then buy anything for yourself. I just in a good mood.
Okay.
I go give small picking.
9346.
93.
I go give small picking your ATM card.
Boss, I beg 1 minute. Come. If they give one big lion for TikTok, how much?
Okay, one TikTok big lion.
Yes, big lion.
Now, like between 5 to 10 million.
5 to 10 million.
I need to be very, very wise and articulate, you know.
You can't use Balo. You can't
Guys,
use
let's go
Balo.
double tap and share. Let's go, guys.
There's an energy drink for yourself.
Ima, energy drink.
Look at energy drink.
What did go tell you?
Ima, this one na energy drink. And when you see money take all these plenty things.
What you say? Make I buy energy energy drink for you. You can't tell me I can buy anything for myself. See the thing I buy for myself. Oh.
Jesus! Ima, my strength.
Bros, no worry, oh. You be lion, no near.
Jesus!
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Not the only. You know wire and slap.
Your mind go deep.
You know wire and slap. You know they're serious. The guy slap one.
So when is this gender reveal?
I don't know. We're planning it, but I'll make sure I invite you though.
Yeah. Please, I'll love to come.
We really have to use the restroom. Baby's kicking.
When are you gonna put babies in me?
Come on, stop that. Don't you know my wife is here?
You're Nigerian, stop it.
Do you want her to find out that we're having an affair?
I want a baby.
Go back there. Hello?
Where are you, babe? It's Valentine's Day. Like, I'm supposed to be with you.
See, my wife is at home. I cannot come.
Really, nigga?
Please. I'll talk to you later.
Shy.
Who's that?
No, it's the lawyer for the house I'm trying to get for her.
Okay.
Who is that? Come in.
Hey, how are you guys?
I cannot come.
Okay. We got a report in the building that there was a kidnapping. We're taking suspects or just people that would like to make a statement into the unit. Who would like to be the person to do that? Who would like to volunteer?
Maybe I should go?
No, I will go here. Come on. You're heavy now. You're pregnant. Don't worry, officer, I'll go with you.
Okay, that's fine. You can come, sir.
I know what kind of man you are.
Babe.
Let's get about it.
Officer, how long is this gonna take?
It's not gonna take long. Come on, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Please be careful with him, okay?
Ma'am.
You didn't trust Adam. You didn't trust man.
A few moments later.
Baby, are you okay?
He's fine.
Don't go knock.
So, officer, what's going on?
He's fine. But the case isn't solved yet. So, basically, if we want to bring him in, meaning the police, we can bring him in for questioning at any time.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
Good job, sir. Thank you so much. You guys have I got everything.
You don't suck.
Oh, Benny.
Enjoy.
You don't suck. You don't suck, Bola.
You are that guy. How, Chim?
Don't put Bola.
Cry, no worry.
Shut Boko.
Kiss me for free. You dey serious? Baby girl, you don't make my prick stand.
I need to.
Who are you? Hey! Big bro, how many inches be this your prick?
A very bad boy.
Enter.
Uncle.
Good
afternoon, sir.
This is your car.
Uncle, this is one of my cars.
One of your cars?
You go here. You go here.
So somebody in this village can buy this type of car?
No.
This is massive.
Your name is sorry.
Would you like to have a drive with me?
It would be my pleasure to drive you. Let me have the keys. Hey! Wow. Cha-cha-cha.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus.
Hey! Oh, God. God. Jesus.
You don't disappear.
Jesus.
Wicked uncle.
Jesus.
Don't dare my friends.
Enter the driver's side now. It's the worry.
Who take her?
You the worry.
Observe this one.
Hey, where you? Come here. Where you come
Guy, you deaf? Come here.
Now, good afternoon.
What's in your pocket?
Nothing in my pocket, so only my hand in my pocket.
See, blood smoke for face.
I need a smoke one.
Boy, what's in your pocket?
But not in my pocket too. Money what they spend over corner. Why money not in my pocket?
They work, you no get money.
Now also at the also.
Where for wait till the hustle?
My friend for the also. Now place at the go. My house spoiled like 2 days ago. And I repair.
And your guy for use the hustle?
Yes, so now the place I want to go call also self go do 1 or 2 things.
Wow.
Right, Bele,
what you do?
That smoke will blow for my face, so make hungry they beat me. No be lie, if they hungry too. You know, smoke they make person hungry. No be lie. And you don't see, you see all that change. Yes, give her me go shop, me no die for here. Guy, collect go chop, me no die for here. What's my money? Go chop. You see that sound? No, I want you to do a man for if giving a blast. Yeah, come on for you. Oh yeah, now. I be bros, I ain't at the rope steady. Oh yeah, now. This is expectation. If every year good, I'll call up this tonight. Come on for you. Viewers, let's watch this video.
Which kind of nonsense woman be this one? People really move.
I dey ask me this. As you first talk for her since, as you enter like this, once the girl see you, she like you and accept to marry you. The family go give you 200,000, 50 by 100. That's the plot of land where you take start life. You not go inside, go to do anyhow. You sit down, comport. You understand?
Everywhere, Marama. Chief priest.
Oh, I'm busy, my guy. How you say? I'm Alpha.
As I tell you now, sir.
What's going on here?
Come.
Now, boy, girl, you can't go give up. Boy, girl.
Let you manage this one, yeah?
Hey, I correct girl.
Baby.
Correct street. I see.
Baby. Alpha. Ma say mom see una don reach. Mom see eh? We get visitor. No, why you collect that money?
Mama, you see my limit.
Why you collect that money?
Mama, you see my limit. Money when you even talk. I told you, son.
My money? My hard money. You don't see money.
Hey.
You don't see money. This kind of rubbish be that one. Mom see the man. When that one starts. Mom see you do waiting.
Daddy, Pop, see the help of.
This mama. You they support your mama. You say mama want kill me. Every night they beat me for this house.
Why you touch her money? Ask me. She came out for your head. Ask her.
This mama. I pity man where go marry you.
Solo go pick race.
Now so the family be. They know they put mouth for their matter. As they do so, they go settle. Nah. Just enjoy your drink.
Bob says no one give mommy peace for this house, eh? Even you say no, get peace. Man, don't clear your that. This kind of nonsense that now. Where your guy?
You find a cycle. So don't pick race. Back. Knock out together. Yo. Second time when you run for this.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
Philo, I beg now, eh? I know sir they beg you well. You get one functional and one rush go, but they see me all of us we are black. Just help me reach house. Just give me one of your black clothes, my go. I beg.
Oh my bro, I don't understand. I don't fit go house. I dey wait for person.
You get it?
I dey wait for person. I don't fit go house now. The person go miss me if I come out here. How you want to do this thing now? Except say you go wear this one.
This one.
Yeah.
You get black. I feel you're on a black.
Yeah, I might give him a test and I get touch of black. Okay. Yeah, I don't fit go house now.
The thing fits me well.
Return amo.
I'll go return
amo.
Thank you.
No go sleep fit amo. No make me call you. No go whine you.
Hey, hold it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon. Sir, my name is Festus.
I did not ask you about your name. Identify yourself.
Sir, I'm a content creator.
Now them. Now their format with that.
We would like to conduct a search on you. Please, search him.
You sure there's something to know inside that?
Look at my hand though. Before you say police have added any substance in your pocket. Oh yeah.
But officer, this is a police harassment now.
Police harassment what? Search him, my friend. Who is the owner of this jacket?
Officer, we end up in jacket.
jacket come outside. Now my jacket be this now.
Please search that jacket.
But they cannot be searching me like this now.
Yeah.
This now police harassment. Now this is embarrassing.
Kasongo,
yeah. Mombari, you know that problem.
I don't dare my friends.
My friend, let's move in. Officer.
Actually, maybe my
own. I know say no go believe say I want to tell you, but officer, not my jacket be this. Now my guy jacket, I wear come out. I swear to God, not my jacket.
You gonna explain?
Let's just hear from him, please. Let's follow the due process. I feel call the owner of this jacket now. I feel call you, make confirm I still not my jacket. You know how now? Wait, make a call him, officer.
If I hear say,
make a call him. Now what for you, bro? Which kind of rubbish with this one now? Hello, Philo?
You don't reach there now, Abi?
I never reach, Joe. As I talk to you like now, they're police officers. They see boy inside this jacket. I beg help me tell this jacket on your own. I sat there with 2 police officers like this. They see boy inside this jacket. Help me tell this jacket on your own, I beg.
You see boy inside the jacket, now my own.
Officer, don't contact.
Let's move to the station.
Let's go, come on, move.
This guy don't get sense.
Swear to God, I think carry you go where the guy did like this now. Inspector, please calm down. Let's follow him to the place he wants to show us. Please, let's go.
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
If I hear person don't boom, are you go tell him say you there with police?
I know what they talk about this place.
While we pray, if I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. Pray. The Bible says in Jeremiah 33 verse 3, he said, call to me and answer. Come. He wants us. While we pray.
Officer, we don't reach where we dey go. See, officer, I swear to God who made me. Now this guy, now he get this jacket to wear. This guy, when they kabash, now he get this jacket.
You see him? If you allow me, make I give him a better slap from where we pick him from. If you allow me, make I give him a better slap. Which kind of nonsense is this one now? We look like people we get evil spirit for body, Abi. You want us go church, go cast and buy, no be so?
No, officer, here not be church, here na bunk. Here na smoky boy, here na bunk. Come on, move him. Officer, move. If you are here, people.
You don't get sense. Like police catch you. Why you go call them? They tell police. They tell them say you there with police. Who does that? Another church sing.
Let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wings I will flow. Save me from field and bad. Please care for me.
Myself in now who died? He check put flags.
Let me fall in youth and power. 488. Pass me on.
Now put my mumu fine come.
Hear my humble cry. While another thou art calling,
do not pass me by. Savior, hear my humble cry. While thou art calling, do not pass me by.
Bros, you owe 20 naira buy pure water.
This man really helped me for this.
After you don't shout finish.
They say the man na very good man. He don't help plenty people. Plenty with me, oh. The man a mechanic. Now he dey work my motor, my Pathfinder motor. Now he dey work am. The man lawyer man. Now he hold my case. One small land where they drag from Zoba, na him. Half lot of land. I don't nearly win that case, so now the man go.
Our daddy was actually a very good man, and I know that majority of us here knows him very well. His demise was a sudden one, but we cannot question God. We can only say thank you. Hey! So, I thank you all again for gathering here with us, for being part of the family at this crucial time.
I pay my picking school fees. Hey, he paid me. Daddy, when they like I grow, I see her last week in the Bible. Now they are not saying something what happened. I get the instinct. My instinct told me. Say Daddy go leave us. Now he don't go.
I can bet that this guy does not even know the man in person.
To the glory of God, our daddies are real.
The man know that.
Look at tears of joy.
Which tears of joy? Where she carry that right they go? The man don't wake. No, tell me to celebrate life. How dare she bring that sort music to this place? He can't here come chop rice or he can't sympathize with them. They go with the man. She can't say the man don't wake. How dare she? The man don't wake, you know. This tears will not go in vain. And they cry nobody hold me now.
This world can be something else.
God have mercy upon us.
God have mercy upon us. The thing is this, he knows that he just want me to laugh because how on earth will somebody person die? When I not even dey sure whether I don't die, when I don't already keep for people who go come mourn am. Like who does that? Like who really does that? Nobody does that. But anyways, let's just pass it off and say that joke. We are meant to laugh, so let's just laugh. And it was actually funny though. It was funny because Mecco just said I want kind of crazy human being. So it's funny. I'll give it to him. It's very, very nice. So my people, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. You understand? And don't forget to always check out my other videos. You know I have fantastic and fantabulous videos on my channel, so make sure to check them out. Subscribe if you're yet to do that. Please, it's very, very important for the growth of my channel. You feel me? So, and do not forget to share my videos. Share to your friends and loved ones. Your WhatsApp, your Facebook, the link. Just share them out. Share them to people. Let them be part of this wonderful channel. You understand? And see you in my next video, guys. Peace and love.